Well, greetings everybody. Right now I'd like to give a little update on my sourdough starter. It's really been doing well. I don't know if you could see, but it's down to here because I had just stirred it. It was nice and bubbly. It's just perfect. Oh, smells great, but maybe you can see the bubbles in there. I don't know. Anyway, what I did do was I made me some bread. I'll leave this link here so that he can run you through how to do it. Mine's a little different than his. I don't have the big old holes in it, but look at that bad baby there, huh? I just got it done. It's cooled down enough to where I can handle it, but I made this in a bean pot is what I use, and of course I'm going to give it a try out here, and I'm not going to let you watch me bite into it because I'm hoping that I can miss my tooth, and if not, I don't want to be crying in front of everybody. So I do want to say you should give it a try. It smells wonderful and delightful, and it's going to make a great sandwich loaf. I know. Sourdough bread. Make some yourself. Do the starter. Feed it every day just like you would a parakeet, and it will feed you well. Thank y'all. Bye.